Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object. This is the tissue box in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, new. Then I'm selecting the MMCS unit. Then taking the top plane, go to the extruded boss and taking the center rectangle, sketch it. Then I'm going to determine the dimensions. So add my smart dimension is selected, and the length will be 200 millimeters and width will be 150 millimeters. Then exit it. Then I'm taking it 100 millimeters. Okay. Then I'm going to select the shell command, click on the surface, and the outer shell is selected and it will be 5 millimeters. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm going to select the fillet and click on this corner, click another corner and selected this constant radius, which is 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Again I'm selecting the chamfering and click on this corner, click another corner, and it will be 10 millimeters, 45-degree angles. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the extruded boss, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, and I'm taking the circle. Okay, I'm taking line. I'm finding the middle point, so I'm draw it. Here it will be 15 millimeters. So exit it. You're watching. So I'm changing the direction. The direction will be this way, and I'm taking it. When it will be 100 millimeters, then it will be up to this. I'm taking it to 100, then it will be not attached to the body. You are watching. So I'm taking it to 110 till it is 210, it will be merged not. So okay, you are watching it. Okay, then I'm going here, then I'm taking the plastic and I'm selecting this plastic and I'm selecting this color. Okay, I'm taking this color. You can change this color, or we can take it in different way. Different color is selected for different materials. Okay, done. Okay, you are watching it. Then I'm going here, I'm taking this portion, you are watching it, this materials, or we can change. You are watching. You are watching it. Control 7, Control 8, or we can change. We go to here. You are watching it. This is the section view. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.